Ed McFadden. Welcome back to the most watched natural stone care channel on earth. At Sureshine, we get 10 to 15 calls per week about granite counter cracks in front and behind sink rails, caused by the corrosion of steel rods that have been placed in the granite to provide structural integrity during transport and installation. 4 years ago, this customer called and let me know that another company had repaired his counter but could not return the shine to the surface. That video is shown here and has become quite popular since with professionals and DIYers. As you can see, the caulk around the sink has failed and allowed water to saturate the subtop and penetrate into the underside of the granite, causing a serious level of corrosion, expanding the rod, pushing the granite both apart and up away from the sink. This repair started with the removal of failing polyester resin that was applied by the previous contractor, exposing a completely open gap below. I cleaned the gap, attempting to remove as much debris as possible, prepped the surface for a flowing two-part epoxy adhesive that does more than just fill gaps. Because it is a real epoxy, it will cure harder and last longer than the repairs performed by other companies. I then ground the surface flat, which took quite a long time and required a lot of patience to prevent the surface from being wavy. A flat repair is so much better looking. Once flat, I took the surface through the steps necessary to achieve a long-lasting, highly polished finish. Only at that point did I apply aesthetic adhesives that were designed to make the repair look as natural as possible. You cannot build a house on sand without pouring footers. The same goes for repairs of this kind. It is what we do that you can't see that is most important to the longevity of this repair. This practice allows us to provide a 1-year warranty on most repairs of this kind when appropriate. For more information, please go to my website at sureshinecares.com. You can also subscribe. Check us out on Facebook. You can send me a message there. And you can also ask a question in the comments section below. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. Have a great one.